Let's talk about everything mental health related by getting back to basics. What is mental health? Some people call mental health emotional health or well-being. Mental health is a level of psychological well-being which can vary over the years and with the ups and downs of life. We all need to look after our mental health as it's just as important to our well-being as our physical health is. Poor mental health can affect anyone. WHO, the World Health Organization, says, mental health is a state of well-being in which the individual realises his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. It is not just the absence of mental disorder. What is mental health illness? People who have a mental health illness can experience difficulties in the way they think, feel, or behave. This can significantly affect their relationships, work, and quality of life. It is known many mental health conditions are caused by a combination of genetic, biological, psychological, social, and environmental factors. How common are mental health disorders? Either you or someone you know may have a mental health illness. They are more common than you think. The World Health Organization reports, in a given year, 1/4 of adults are diagnosable for one or more mental health disorders. 10% of children have a mental health issue at any one time, and approximately 450 million people currently suffer from mental health illness. 91 million people affected by alcohol use disorders and 15 million by drug use disorders, placing mental health disorders among the leading causes of ill health and disability worldwide. Mental health disorders are fairly common, so why do many people feel uncomfortable talking about mental health illness? Nearly 2/3 of people with a known mental health illness never seek help from a health professional. Many people do not like talking about their mental health illness for fear of being stigmatised, judged, ridiculed, or even rejected. Many people try and hide their symptoms and do not seek help due to stigma and discrimination. If a mental health illness goes untreated, it can put the person at high risk of self-harm and suicide. It is very important for people who are suffering with mental health illness to reach out and seek help, as with the right education, treatment, knowledge and care, it is possible to step into recovery and lead a happy, meaningful, productive life. How can we break this vicious cycle of stigma and discrimination? As a society, we can help by being more open about our mental health experiences. With knowledge comes understanding, which can help to reduce stigma and discrimination, and the power to improve our mental health and well-being. We need to educate ourselves, including our children, about mental health as much as we do our physical health. Learn how mental illness can affect a person and their loved ones. How to spot early warning signs of a mental health illness. How to seek help and how to help ourselves or someone we may know.